Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. I know most of you might have seen the videos and the quotes going around about Prosper Narteh being in line or being tipped to take the Black Stars position, like the Black Stars coach position. I think it's too early. I think he has a lot of work to do as Kotoko. I know he has transformed and changed the way Kotoko play and have brought a new feeling into the club, but I think it's too early. I'm going to play a video of the former GFA president. He said that Prosper Narteh should be the one in charge of the Black Stars, that should give him the opportunity that is going to change the Black Stars. I'm going to play the video now for you guys to see, and I would like to know your comments on thoughts about the entire issue. So if you haven't subscribed to that right now, and hit the notification bell. Let's listen.
You think we're January? Sorry, next month.
March.
I will differ with those in the studio. I will suggest that we pick a local coach, in person of Dr. Ogun, the trainer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now,
Coach, my team.
I have studied that man carefully.
It's good, but it's late.
And he's brought a lot of life into Kotoko. And if we want really to get somewhere, we should give that the gentleman the power, and I can tell you that he will give us a team we shall be surprised about. Now, Otto Addo, I don't even know him. I have nothing against him. He neglected the boys when he was part of the team, and such a person to me hasn't got passion for the Black Stars. As for Chris, I believe this is not the time for him to be here at the moment. At the right time, we might need him. Dramani, yes, can be paired with Dr. Ogunate of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and we shall see results. They will put the boys on what we call war footing. It's going to be a great challenge, and the boys will have to work hard, and I believe strongly that particular gentleman, Dr. Ogun, can get us the results we are all looking for. Thank you.
So you heard it from the former GFA president. He talked about why it is important to use Prosper Narteh as the next Black Stars coach. That's if you are picking a local coach, and he should be paired with Didi Dramani. He talked about it. I think, like I said earlier, I think it's too early. I think Prosper Narteh has a lot of work to do at Kotoko. If he progresses into maybe the final stage of the season and is still on top of the table and eventually wins the league, I think probably we can tip him to get the Black Stars job. But right now I think it's too early, and they should allow him to work at Kotoko. I also tweeted, if you follow me on Twitter, I tweeted like 2 months ago, I tweeted that he's being tipped. Like his name came up when we were talking about local coaches to take over the Black Stars job, but I don't think he was interested at that time. Right now, I don't know if he's still interested, but I think they should allow him to work at Kotoko. I don't think Kotoko will allow him to go at this moment, because I think he has a lot to offer, and I think he's going to put the club in a position where if a new coach comes in, the coach won't struggle as other coaches has been struggling when they take over the Kotoko job. So I think we should just allow him to work at Kotoko and give him time to transform the club fully. Then he can start looking for bigger or better jobs elsewhere. I'm not saying Kotoko job is not as big as the Black Stars job. I think every coach will be ambitious and they will want to coach the Black Stars after coaching Kotoko. So I think after winning the league with Kotoko, he's free to look at other job opportunities. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed right now, hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.